Sir, reports are coming in of Doom Syndicate activity in the downtown area.
Alrighty, guys,
I think
welcome.
You should go to the downtown area.
Back.
You should
Let's
investigate
go.
the Doom Syndicate's activity in the downtown area.
Alright, I heard you. Find the construction workers. Demolition. Can I just do that one? Okay, it might be something different. Alright, let's go ahead. Demolition site. Let's do this. The Tesla glove can be upgraded to chain up to 4. Okay. Yes, I have already upgraded my weapons.
Here they come, and they look like
shoot.
they mean business.
What, wild goons? Ha! They'll whip.
Watch out, sir!
Oh, snap. I like the other one. More gloves ahead.
You'll need to find a way onto those buildings.
Can I change weapons? Oh, here we go.
You're nearly there. Ah, you made it.
Alright, here he is,
For that
dude.
wrecking ball.
Oh, the wrecking ball.
There he is! This place is a safety nightmare!
Oh, shoot. Go.
Ow!
Can I shoot the wrecking ball with the guy on there?
Construction worker goons.
Won't get away. Take this! Roar! There
Oh,
he
dude,
is!
the guy hit me with the brick.
Get him!
Can't use that path.
Oh, more
Let's find
wrecking
another
balls.
one.
How dare they try to block us? Stop it!
Watch out for those wrecking balls. More destruction worker goons.
Oh, what the heck? I fell, dude.
Ow!
Where do they keep coming from?
Alright, where am I?
Collect all the blue energy you can find. It's
Oh, what?
useful.
Oh, that was close.
It is.
Oh, man, that was so close. Alright, where do I go now? Gotta click all these little blue orbs.
Don't fall off, sir.
So I use these to upgrade. But I don't know. Can I change my weapon? I'd rather go back to the layer. I guess I have to go back to the layer and change it.
Destruction worker goons coming. More destruction worker goons.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, we can use this crane to get to the other side. Try moving that fuse into the fuse box.
Alright, I think this is gonna be a trap, man. Watch. They got those guys hiding in there.
Try using that fuse, sir. Watch out for those crates.
So obvious. It's so obvious.
Won't get away.
We should be able to use that switch now. Don't fall off, sir.
Dude, I just realized there's a guy hanging by his feet on the wrecking ball.
Get him! There he is!
Incoming!
Oh, go. Oh, yeah. See that?
Construction workers' goons are using the scaffolding to wire up the city with explosives!
Watch out, sir. Incoming destruction worker goons.
We have the city wired to explode! It's madness!
Oh, what the heck?
Watch out for that wrecking ball. Try shooting those barrels. I think the explosion will knock over that tower. That's it! Incoming!
Oh,
There he is! Take this!
Perhaps you could use that crane to get across. Try moving that fuse into the fuse box. Oh no! They were waiting for us!
oh.
More destruction worker goons! Looks like destruction workers goons have left some explosives.
You'd think Destruction Worker wouldn't leave his explosives laying all over town.
Only one more to go. You should be able to use that switch now.
Yes.
Boom. The game's pretty fun, guys. Also, real quick, if you guys are interested in playing this game, it's actually only $5 right now in GameStop. I thought it was $8, but I looked online. It's only $5. So, and they also have it for the PS3 and I think the Wii.
They're expecting us. So much for being sneaky.
It's funny though, the PS3 version is actually a little bit more expensive than the Xbox 360 version. I think it's like $9.
Destruction worker goons coming.
There he is! Frustrating! There are goons all over the place in here! There he is!
Oh shoot.
Megamind!
Look at all those little blue sparkly thingies.
You're nearly there.
Alrighty, it's a little bit too quiet. Okay, what is this? Oh, what is this? This looks like a boss level. Maybe? Who's here? Who's
Our
here?
Destruction Worker.
There he
Our
is.
unworthy opponent. At last we meet.
Megamind, prepare to get destructed!
Destruction worker goons coming.
Get away!
Be careful.
What's he doing? Oh, snaps. Holy soup.
Watch out for those crates. I think
Can't
we can
shoot
use
him.
those explosives to shake up Destruction Worker. Watch out for that wrecking ball.
What'd I do with this thing? Where's it go? Oh, there it is, right below him. Ugh.
Well done, boss. More Destruction Worker goons. Just two more.
Oh, dude, he got me. Alright, pretty simple pattern here. Here we go. Hurry up, Megamind! Oh, dude, got murked. But what sucks is if you get hurt. Oh, dude.
Watch out for those wrecking balls.
Where's he going?
Keep up the pressure, boss.
There we go. All right, one more.
Watch out, sir. Incoming destruction worker goons. Only one more to go.
Oh, dude, you got me. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, one more hit and I'm dead. Oh, my goodness. Are you serious? I don't want to start over again. It's going to suck.
Watch out.
Oh my goodness, he's going to take forever. No way!
Watch it!
Oh, I get full health. Okay, cool.
Ow!
Oh, what? Come on, that's it. He's done.
For
Boom.
those wrecking balls. Excellent work, sir.
And what do we have here? I'm sure I can use this as a sample of DNA for my tracking machine.
Alrighty, let's go back to the lair, upgrade some more of my weapons, and then we will call it an episode for part 3.
Excuse me, sir, but I'm receiving reports about noxious gas clouds coming from the Midtown sewers. The
Alright.
activity has been positively linked to the Doom Syndicate.
I like this one, man. This one's cool as 5,000. Yeah, maybe I should wait. 5,000 too? Dang it.